So how's this gonna work? She's a chainsaw man now, right? So turn into a freaking chainsaw. This show is gory. Holy balls. I don't know about this, bro. Yo, what's up guys? You're here today, bringing you guys a brand new video, and today we are watching Chainsawman. What a freaking title is that, huh? Little background information on myself, guys. I've only watched 3 animes: Attack on Titan, Tokyo Ghoul, and I'm watching Naruto right now. I'm new to anime, okay? I'm new to anime. This has got thrown at me from way out of left field. Chainsawman, like, I don't know anything about this, okay? This is in sub. I watch a lot of dub. I did watch sub. Freaking Attack on Titan, the season 4 part 2. I watched in sub. But I'm gonna be honest, guys. This looks completely weird. This looks weird. I don't know. I don't know what to think about it. Like, Chainsaw Man. He's got a chainsaw coming out his freaking forehead. One of my boys, Parker, and he said, "Yo, bro, you gotta check this out. This is getting a lot of traction lately. Seems pretty hype." I was like, okay, I'll check it out. I'm gonna be brutally honest, guys, with it, okay? So, if I say a lot of things y'all don't like, toughen up, Buttercup. Let's get into it. But before we do that, guys, yo, hit that sub button to this channel so you can get more reactions from me watching your favorite animes. Let me know what I should watch next in the comments down below. Without further ado, though, let's hop into this episode. First episode, premiere of Chainsawman. 3, 2, 1. Let's watch. Oh, we got a little dark alleyway. I don't like that. I don't like that already. Got a little first-person view action, too. Let's round that corner. Okay, we're good. Yeah, I don't know what I'm expecting. Is this gonna be a horror? Is this gonna be... I don't like horror films. Okay, let's make sure the volume... I was getting kind of loud. Okay. This is the main character, I'm assuming. He's got to head to work through the forest? This guy must live out in the outskirts. East Bumble F. 1.2 million? Sold one of his nuts? Not even 100,000 for his nuts? Yo, that's not worth, bro. That's not worth. 38 mil he's gotta owe? That dog's got a chainsaw on him. Okay. He's gotta kill some devils. That's what this is all about. Okay. These are the big threat. It's a meatball with eyes and a mouth. Okay, we got an opening. I'm liking this already. This is a good opening so far. So the people that created this it's MAPPA, right? So they did Attack on Titan, I believe. So we're in for a good treat. That's what I'm thinking, at least. I'm hoping. This opening is like mad weird. All right, here we go. Chainsawman. Tomato. Oh, I thought it was a meatball. Denji, his name is. Gee, he's got to pay a lot. That's a lot of costs coming up. Alright, he's got to figure out a way to make actual money. Good money. Big money. A slice of bread? That's dinner? That's trash. So they want to hire this kid because he gets the job done. That's not enough. Oh shoot, he's for real about that. How much is 100 yen to USD? Ooh, good play, good play. Hey, I mean that was a steal. That was a steal. A slice of bread for dinner, though. Sheesh. And he lives in a shack.
俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうな。こんなボロ小屋には女呼べねえし。
Yeah, you can't invite anybody to that place.
夢叶うなら女抱いてから死にてえな。
That's every guy's goal. That was just like a flashback? Sell your... Wow. This show is gruesome. That little dog's got a chainsaw on him. Ah, it's hurt. They're in this together. Come on. Patch him up. Ow. So devil hunters. Okay. That's what he is.
決めた。今日寝たら見る夢。女とイチャイチャしたりして、一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。
Oh shoot. Oh, what the frick?
心臓の病気で血吐いて死んだんだとよ。
Uh-oh. Is he getting that disease now? It's hereditary? Come on, when's the show gonna... When's the hook coming? This is so hard. All right, come on, what kind of devil we gotta deal with here, huh? Yeah, where's the devil at, huh? Nah, something's up. Something's up. What's going on? What's he bringing him in here for? About to test him? Oh, he's gonna get him killed. What in the frickety? Oh, he... Oh! Wait a minute, he's a devil? What the frick? The zombie devil. You better get the heck out of there. You got stabbed through the back though. I doubt you're gonna make it far, buddy. That poor dog got sliced up in the frickin' stomach. Oh, that walker's on your back? Oh no. Oh, it's already done. It's donezo. Yo! Holy balls. They are stabbing the heck out of him. Well, that's it for the story. He's dead. Main character's dead. Now where do we go from here? Huh? Wait a minute. He lost his head. And the dog's got chopped in half. And it's somehow still alive. Oh shoot. Wait a minute. So the dog's gonna take over his dead body? What in the frickin' heck is going on? Holy. So the dog is taking over the dead body? So who's the real living? Oh, he can talk. Where's Pochta? Did Pochta sacrifice himself? So how's this gonna work? She's a chainsaw man now, right? So turn into a freaking chainsaw. Wind it. Come on, crank that thing. Let's go. Let go. Oh, he's dead. Here, chainsaw running. Okay. This show is gory. Holy balls. No, you messed up doing that. Yeah, you're donezo, zombie. You're donezo too. Donezo. He's throwing bodies at him. He's playing Fruit Ninja. He's playing Fruit Ninja right now. Oh my gosh, this is like... This is mad gruesome. I don't know about this, bro. What in the heck? All that screaming. I'm gonna be honest, I'm feeling a little lightheaded after that. I don't know. Dude, this show is crazy. I'm feeling kind of lightheaded, not gonna lie. Usually I can handle stuff like this, but holy balls. Holy crap, maybe I just gotta turn it down a little bit. Oh shoot, now the big boss is pulling up. Seeing how the job was finished. This is his in to becoming a devil hunter. But isn't he a devil himself though? Yeah, he's the devil still, okay. He's a mix. Hug me? What? This is his future girlfriend? Oh. She don't got normal eyes. What is she then? I take that offer. You don't want to end up like them. Brains all over the floor. He's already hungry. No more bread. Okay. That sounds awesome. Okay, episode 1. Done and over with. Sheesh. I don't know. I I mean, we'll check out episode 2, see how it goes from here. Chainsawman. This is such a weird concept. I'll be honest. Now, there's probably a manga to it, right? Comic books or whatever you want to call them. First episode. Very, very gory. I don't know do I gotta cut anything out of there? Gotta blur some stuff out? Because holy crap, is that even allowed on YouTube? When he was cutting through that, I mean, yeah, it's a devil, it's a, you know, that thing was screaming. It was just so loud for me on my end. I don't know, maybe my earbuds are just so dang loud. I was like, oh my gosh, this is kind of like I can't even watch this or hear it. It's kind of feeling lightheaded. That was weird for me. I don't know. If y'all experienced that or not, let me know. First episode, introduction. It's an introduction episode. It wasn't like a crazy first episode to get you hooked, because I'll be honest, I'm not hooked. I want to see more. So maybe I am hooked if I want to see more. I don't know. I'm just kind of like, you know what, let's just check the next one and see how it does for me, how it goes. If I were to compare it to animes I've watched of the first episode, definitely the lower end of a hook. Attack on Titan first episode, crazy. Tokyo Ghoul I've watched. The first episode hooks you. Naruto. If you watch my Naruto reactions, you know I was not hooked. So, hey, if I gave Naruto a shot, I gotta give this a shot. Naruto's a kid show, right? This ain't. Anyways, guys, post your comments down below. Let me know what y'all thought about the first episode of Chainsaw Man. I'm curious to see what you guys think. Yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed my reaction. Comment down. Wait, I already said that. Subscribe to the channel, guys, if you haven't already. Ring that bell to get notified when I drop the next Chainsaw Man reaction. Hope to catch you guys next week. And until then, y'all take care and peace out.